top of the world. In today's episode we are still in India and I'm going to try something I've never done before, and I doubt you did. I give you a hint, it's something impressive. Let's go. Good morning from sunny, hot, beautiful and crazy India. Thank you very much. We are right now ready to start a new adventure. Therefore, we are loading our small luggages, but we have everything we need with us. Stay tuned because I'm taking you with me. You will love it. I am giving you a little bit of an insight. If you get it, you get it. If you don't, you will soon see why. So we have about 1 hour and 30 minutes away with a car. We just got off the car, but I'm eager to film everything. I want to show you something. I don't know if you can see it from here. Look in the back. There's a glimpse of it. So let me tell you more about this place. This is a fort. This is a part of the fort, not the fort. The fort is in the back. It's a 234 years old fort, and more than this can also be a state. So this fort is surrounded by a local village in Rajasthan area. So we are still close to Jaipur, but 1 hour and 30 minutes from the city, from the center of the city, and we are going to discover it together. I'm so happy to show it to you. Look at this. We are taking the cart to go to the fort. Hello. Are you excited? Yeah. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, we'll be back to this area later. Right now, this is the parking area. So we came here earlier, and I will come back to show more of it to you. Right now, we are on the hill, going up. Ooh, this is so exciting. Look at this. Oh, there's another car. I love that it's so much green surrounding this place. You feel like you are in nature, and I think it's also a great place for relaxing because it has a lot of history, but you don't feel like being in a museum. You come here to also relax, to enjoy your time. Look at this view. Look at all this nature. Wow. I have to show it to you. I like this. It's amazing. We're going up, I think almost there. A little bit more to go. Ooh. I was thinking right now, if we want to hike this all by ourselves, I think it will be a little bit difficult. Hopefully they have a buggy to drive us up. Almost there. Look, there are gates. And
we arrived now.
We arrived. Let's get down. Okay, we arrived. We made it up. Nice ride, super nice. One of the most beautiful ones I've had. Okay, 234 years old fort.
These all items we found by the fort. So these are all ancient.
Ancient and original. Original keys. Look at this huge chain. Wow. Wow. Wow, you have to see this. I've never seen anything like this before. So these are original?
These are original.
Original. Wow. Original. It's so beautiful how they combined everything. The architecture, the new, the old, ancient. Moving forward, we go to the lunch area, and this is 200 years old, so this is the original, and they just redid the painting over here. Wow, this is impressive. This is impressive. This look at this. Where are they? I think I lost them. There is an elevator in here. We are right now on the second floor. We are going to the fourth floor. Oh, going inside. Thank you so much. We made it to one of the restaurants here, which is called Nazara. It's a Hindi word, which means beauty, because look at this view. Look at this view. How can you dine in and have this view? I would not be able to eat anything. Here are the tables, and there's another side, another view. So much green, and I love those hills, the way they look like. It's a bit foggy right now, but the sky is clean. I don't think it's going to rain today, so I hope that maybe we'll be able to enjoy dinner in here with this view. We have to keep in mind that this is a warrior fort, so everything which is not original is made to look like being a part of a warrior fort. For example, look at the door. The door is not original, but it has beautiful details that are matching the history of the place. And we were just told that the spikes are missing because in general doors like this would have the spikes so that the elephants in this region cannot hit the door and open it. Because of safety reasons, we don't have the spikes. But I want to show you the room, which is one of the most beautiful rooms I've ever been to. Most of the pieces you see here are new, but are having materials from this region. For example, this one is made in Jaipur city. So this one is created, tailored for the fort, but from Jaipur city, which is 1.5 hours close. And also the marble is from Rajasthan area, and we were told that the marble is from the same mountain where the marble from Taj Mahal is, which is so interesting. Look at the design, so everything matches the history. Oh my god, there is a huge hot tub. I was saying that everything matches the history and the vibe of the place, so I think this is so interesting. This is so interesting and so beautiful. I love it. It's simple yet elegant, and it feels new. And of course, even if this hotel is open in 2006, in 2009 they became part of Hyatt. This is the castle over there, and this is the pool area right in front of me. There is the reception. So basically the way to the castle can be done with a sort of a tuk-tuk, with a buggy, and it's very scenic because to make it all the way up to the castle, you are going to have a view over the beautiful green landscape that surrounds the castle, and over the village. So they have like a small village, a small community in here near the castle surrounding this place. It's very green and it's very beautiful. So let me tell you more about the castle. Basically, this castle was built as a warrior castle, was built to protect in case of an invasion of Mongols. It was built to protect the main castle, which is in Jaipur city. So this is not basically a royal castle. It was more like a warrior one. Therefore, you can see, I don't know much about architecture, but you can see in the structure of the castle the small windows. They have small windows to see through them. For us right now, the view is very beautiful, but for them, it's practical. I just saw a monkey from so close. It was so big and it climbed the stairs all the way up to the building. That scares me. But I want to show you something. Let me know if you see them or if you saw them before I told you what they are. Right there in the back, there are some beautiful peacocks. We only have them in zoos. Here they are in nature. I think it's so incredible to have these creatures in nature and to see them in nature. We are right now going in an adventure. So this is our jeep. We will be taking a jeep and we will be going on the path of the history of this area, of this place. We will see some wildlife. We will maybe drink a traditional tea with a view. So I am taking you with me and I am sure you are going to love this. And here we are, we just made it to the place where we will have the tea. And you can see the fort in the back is very small. You cannot see very well. The fort, the ride was pretty bumpy, maybe too bumpy for my microphone. Therefore, you are going to hear the true sound of nature from now on and the true sound of India. It's so much nature and the road is very green, full of animals, cows, and what did I hear? I think it was a cow. Did you hear it too? I guess so. Oh, here it is. Oh, there's a cow. Yeah, definitely a cow. Let's go grab a tea. With a view, we are at the sunset time and it's so beautiful. And this is where we're having the tea. It looks very scenic and beautiful. And in the back, you will see it now, the sunset. Golden light, the best one. We are going back to the fort and enjoy the sunset from there. So I'll take a moment to admire this beautiful green on the way back. We made it back. This is the view we have right now. It's the sunset time, the most beautiful part of the day, I would say, because some people don't wake up early enough to catch the sunrise. This being said, I would like to end today's YouTube video by saying thank you for watching and thank you for your support. Tomorrow we have other unique experiences that we're going to try here in India. All I can say is that it's related to the Indian culture. So if you want to see more of my experiences from India related to the Indian culture and learn something about India, then make sure to subscribe. Make sure to turn on that notification button. And if you like today's video, like it, give me a thumbs up. This is a PS because I couldn't record this earlier. So here we are having dinner and this is traditional Rajasthani dinner. And I wanted to show you here, they are cooked like this, and I think it's impressive. I've only seen this in Wadiram, and we are going to try a few dishes. So originally the Rajasthani food is spicy. We are going to try something which is not that spicy, and you can hear the music on the background. There is somebody singing live music, so the atmosphere is very pleasant. There is a bit of a wind. It's amazing. We're going to enjoy this dinner.